You won't believe this. The staff told me they stocked around 400 of these mirrors, and every single one sold out in just 3 to 4 days. I finally got most viral MR.DIY's full-on mirror, and it cost me just 950 rupees. Honestly, I didn't expect it to look this premium. Just look at this. The design is so simple, minimal, and super elegant. It has beautiful rounded corners with a sleek frame that instantly makes any room more aesthetic. At the back, it comes with a sturdy foldable stand, so you can place it anywhere in the room without drilling into the wall. And the size, it's almost as tall as me. I'm 5'6" and the mirror is around 5'3", which is perfect for full outfit checks. Where did I buy it? And how did I even bring such a huge mirror all the way to my PG? Let me tell you. I bought this mirror from the MR.DIY store at ART Mall, Vanasthalipuram. You won't believe this. The staff told me they stocked around 400 of these mirrors, and every single one sold out in just 3 to 4 days. When I reached the store, there were only 2 or 3 mirrors left, and luckily I managed to grab one. For bringing this mirror to my PG room, I used 2 modes of transportation. I hold the mirror from the back while my friend driving the scooty till one point, and from there booked Rapido Auto to safely bring the mirror all the way to my PG without a single scratch. Now let's talk about the quality of the mirror. This is not made with a reflective plastic sheet. It uses an actual glass mirror. The metal links connecting the foldable stand looks very thin and delicate, but they are stronger than they look, and overall build quality is surprisingly impressive. For just 950 rupees, I genuinely think this is one of the best budget full-length mirrors you can buy. If you're planning to buy one, don't wait too long, because these mirrors sell out really fast in most MR.DIY stores. I would definitely recommend checking your nearest store before the stock is gone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be bringing you more such content like this. Thank you so much for watching till the end. That's all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.